In front of me is Nubia Neo 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by opening your device's keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear instead. Then tap on voice typing and click on the gray switcher next to it to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on no visible microphone. Lastly, select while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!